Hello, good morning. I have a little holder for the vlogs, which the next video that you're going to watch, which is a spend a day with us, like running errands. I don't have this yet, but I talk about that Brian ordered me something. I'm pretty sure I do anyways. This is it. How nice. So welcome to my official Pack With Me for Ireland video. I am running to the bank really quick, but I have already started the packing fiasco. Okay, we leave tomorrow. Did I already say that? The amount of times that I have had to pack, weigh, unpack, pack, weigh, take something out is insane. Let me just say that. So let's backtrack it to my packing bit, and then I will see you back at home because I still need to pack makeup since we leave tomorrow. I'm not wearing makeup today. Makeup, toiletries will be last minute, but I'll pack makeup with you and talk about my final weight for my checked bag and the situation for the backpack. Also, how nice is this? I love having this, and it swivels, which is so cool. Okay, that's it, bye. Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my official Pack With Me for Ireland video. I have been in this room hours at this point. I have tried on, hold on, this is why I look sweaty, okay? I have tried on every single outfit that is coming with me. I've made a list, and we want to see how many outfits I'm bringing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 outfits. And then I do have a backup, like leggings and a sweatshirt. I'm gonna throw in a backpack. That will be my personal item on the flight. So we have a ton of things. You know that Mariah Carey sound? That's how I feel right now. So I need to take a picture of this because this is every single outfit that I am bringing with, yes, what I need to wear during the day. This is what I'm wearing at night. We're doing themed nights every single night for everyone that's coming on the trip. We have 27 people total on the trip, plus 3 travel guides that are coming from the US with us. That is 30 people total. If I didn't say today is Thursday, we leave on Tuesday. Yes. But I wanted to try everything on. I feel like I can easily overpack, as if this is not overpacking, you know what I mean? But I feel like if I didn't try everything on and know exactly what I wanted to wear each day, then I would just overload my suitcase. I also bought more packing cubes. I have a set already. I need to pull them out of my closet. I know I'm gonna be over. I think we're allowed 50 pounds. Brian and I, our flight that we're taking, we're actually allowed 2 checked bags, 1 carry-on, and a personal item. However, there's only so much space on the Atomic Trips bus, so we can only take 1 checked bag and like a personal item, which could be my backpack. I don't think purses count. My purse is gonna be like a crossbody base bag. If you didn't know, I'm going to Ireland. Surprise. I know, I haven't shut up about it since, I think someone said they booked the trip like 270 days ago. It's been a long time since I've been talking about it. I'm working with a company called Atomic Trips. So what they do are trips to Europe. You sign up, you tell your followers you're going, they pay a flat rate, and we all go to Ireland together. They also do Italy, which we are doing for 2025. I'll link that information down below. Paris, Amsterdam, so many cool places. So I'll link their website down below too, because again, this is the Ireland trip. We're doing Italy, but if there's a place you want to go that I am not going to, so I will link it down below for you. Shout out to Atomic Trips. Honestly, this is the opportunity of a lifetime, a once-in-a-lifetime trip. I know I keep saying that, but it's absolutely true, and I'm just so excited. So let's pack. Packing cubes. I'm gonna fill these up first since they're out, and then I will grab the other ones out of the closet. It came with a lot of them in there. This one I liked the most, like for your makeup toiletries. Let's see if we can get all of my themed outfits in this one bag. I'm so excited for our first night. Oh, you know what? Let me get some scissors. We're supposed to wear all black, so I got this cute sequin skirt from Abercrombie, and it has little shorts. It's actually a skirt, so it has little shorts underneath. The only thing is I think it runs a little bit big. There's no way, y'all. There's no way that all this is gonna fit. And then I am wearing tights, pantyhose, whatever you want to call them. I have 2 pair, and I'm bringing them both because there is no way that I will get there, and when I'm supposed to meet all these people for the very first time, will I have a run in my pantyhose. I just have this plain black long sleeve, like fitted, thicker top, also from Abercrombie. This Free People top, cute socks. I won't tell you everything, okay? I want to. I want to tell you every single thing that I'm bringing. And then we have jeans. Oh no. But you're about to see it all in a video. Okay, listen, this is not gonna work. Well, at least I have a bunch of these because this, I think, is all that's gonna fit in here, and it's like 3 days worth. Oh, this is gonna be bad. I think my other packing cubes are in here. I feel like these might be a little bit bigger. I've used these so many times. There's only 3 in this pack though, but that's okay. Do y'all remember when I bought this sweater? I think I showed it in a video. I'm so excited to wear it. I'm gonna wear it with this floral skirt. One night at the castle, our theme is autumn florals. It's heavy duty, which will be nice because they said it's cold in the castle. Okay, the rest of my night outfits might fit in here. I just knocked y'all out of place, sorry. My medieval outfit. I should probably try to zip this up real quick. But first, look at this beautiful corset to go with the medieval outfit. And then, of course, the belt. Let's do this one. I'm just leaving these leggings in the bags that they came in from Amazon because I feel like that's the tightest. I wouldn't be able to fold them that tight. Y'all, I've made a mistake. It's not all gonna fit. What am I gonna do? Maybe not take 17 outfits? Is that what you're all telling me right now? I'm trying to put like thinner things. Oh, okay, yeah. Maybe we'll try these rain pants too. That zipped up better than I thought it was going to be. To be fair, we are going for 12 days. Yeah, 12 full days. I'm running out of these. I do have another pack. Well, we bought 2 packs, one for me and one for Brian, but he's not so sure that he will be using a pack, so I could borrow one of his. Let's see if we can get the last of my things in this one. I'm so excited about this outfit. These leopard pants with this like roper style or design, graphic, whatever, sweater. All right, let's redirect and let's see if maybe we can get the shoes. I know my bag is only 2 pair of shoes. 1 pair of shoes. Okay, that's not really, I guess I could probably stack them. Uggs, because I can't be walking around hotel rooms. You know, maybe we will fill the suitcase. It's not going so good, y'all. What am I gonna do? I still need to do clothes to sleep in, socks and underwear. I have some jackets. It's not good. Okay. Let me refocus and I'll see you then. It's been about 20 minutes. I've thought this through. I'm taking everything out of the packing cubes and I'm gonna lay each item out and we'll see if that gives me more space. Here we are, okay? It's all laid in there. I think that fits better. These things didn't make the cut and I'm really sad about it. This sweatshirt, this Nike set that I was gonna wear home, this Spanx black set, but it doesn't work. Another pair of rain pants. I figure I can just wear the same pair. So this is what we have so far. I will put socks, underwear, bras here. I'm not taking shampoo, conditioner, hair products. I'm buying that when I get there because I have no space for it. As far as toiletries, that will just be a small bag. And if I have to put that bag in my backpack, I will. Brian's home now and he's putting my luggage on the scale. I said 44. Okay, that's not terrible. I get 50, right? Welcome back. I have just been doing laundry around the house. I had a very long call with the Atomic Trips team this morning about the trip. And then I went to the bank. I talked to y'all about that. I got a Jimmy John's sandwich for lunch. Now let's pack my makeup bag. I don't wear, I'm not very adventurous with my makeup, so I'm not going to take anything that I know. You know, sometimes you'll take well, what if? We don't need to be doing that here. So I just have this little makeup bag my nieces gave me. Being my aunt is really the only gift you need. So we're gonna take this, and again, we're taking the minimum. Now, shampoo, conditioner, hairspray, hair mask, hair oil is not going to fit. And I'm just praying, fingers crossed, that the hotels have blow dryers because I can't fit my blow dryer either. So let's start with, I always pack in the order of how I apply. So we want primer. See, it's already started because I have this one too. The Refy we know I love, but I have this Milk Hydro Grip that I like as well. This one's smaller, skinnier, so we're gonna take this one. Foundation, I wanna take this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. And then the other day, I wore this and really liked it, like a sheer, and it's thin. So 2 foundation options. I need to not forget these brushes. I also pulled out some makeup removing balm. I put my foundation on with this. Do we want to do powder or cream products? It's gonna be, we'll do powder because I know it's gonna be cold, but I think it's like a wet cold, and I would rather do the powder. I think so. Bronzer. Oh, this is for like my under eyes. Blush, we have this one, or let's take the small one. Eyebrows, a little spoolie if I want to fill them in. And then this is eyebrow, like clear gel. Eyelash curler and mascara. I typically use a different one for the bottom, but here we are. So we're going to take the same one. This is the Better Than Sex waterproof. I love this. Oh, highlight, eyeshadow. And then let me take a quick look around. See, I want to take like some of these Milk products to try. Oh, I do need a setting spray. So we do have the Milk one, or the Morphe one is the one I've been using, but the Milk one is smaller. I want to take this one. You know what? I don't think I can do that. I need to see what the liquid and gel, I think it's 3.4 ounces. I forget. This is going in my carry-on. This is 3.38. This is 6.5. So the Milk one is coming with me. 3.38, yeah, it's 3.4. Brushes that I did not get a chance to clean. You know what? I could clean them right now. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean them right now. I'm gonna add my brushes to my little list of things not to forget. Hairbrush, this can go in my makeup bag. I'm gonna pack some like earrings and stuff. I'm not a big jewelry person either, we know that, but okay, I think that's gonna wrap it up. Oh, I managed to get my luggage, the checked bag, down to 48 pounds. Go me. I did have to switch to the matching beige carry-on versus the backpack. It just had more space in it, but I didn't have to get rid of any additional outfits. Initially, I had to get rid of 3 outfits, and then I was going to get rid of 2 more, and then we were able to kind of switch it around. So 48 pounds. We're good to go. And I guess that's my packing video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. By the time that you're watching this, I'm living my best life in Ireland. The vlogs will be coming. I'm so excited. I planned them all out last night of what I wanted to film and what we were doing and what days and all that, because I've been talking about it long enough. Like, I want to give you the good video. So that's it. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next few videos. Bye. Oh, wait a minute. I did want to say on Friday, nope, the 16th. On the 16th at 12:15, you know what? Let me go look. Hang on. Okay, if you live in New York, we will be at the Portal at 12:15 p.m. your time on the 16th. It will be 5:15 p.m. in Ireland, but there's like a little stop in our itinerary. So if you live in New York and you want to pop in and say hello in real time at the Portal, 12:15 p.m. your time. Also, I will link down below the live cam for the Temple Bar District. Brian and I will be there before the trip starts. We'll be in and out of that location. You'll be able to follow along. Like, I'll post Instagram stories and stuff so that you know, like, if we get a chance to get there, I will post about it on Instagram. My Instagram is linked down below, TikTok, all of the above. But for sure, the Portal in New York on the 16th at 12:15 p.m. New York time. Okay, and now that is officially a wrap. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next ones. I think I already said goodbye. Goodbye again.